Evangel's campus environment is deeply rooted in a culture of consistent personal growth. At EU, Jared found amazing opportunities to develop academically and spiritually. From studying the human body in the cadaver lab to meeting with classmates and friends for deep Bible study, he found his calling at Evangel. Over to you, Jared.
Thank you, Alex. As someone who's constantly searching for the next big challenge, I was looking for a college that would help me grow in all aspects of my life. I wanted to be immersed in a culture that would encourage me to push myself and others, and that's exactly what I got when I came to Evangel University. One of my biggest goals is to pursue graduate school. Thanks to the robust academic environment at Evangel, I'm confident I will be well equipped for any future challenges in the classroom. EU's 1 to 15 teacher-to-student ratio has been critical to my success. My professors don't just care about the grade I receive in their classes, they're genuinely interested in what's going on in my world. Additionally, I've had some incredible learning opportunities both inside and outside my department. Whether studying the human body in the lab or exploring biblical archaeology in my Old Testament class, EU has greatly developed my abilities as a scholar. Personal growth is a huge part of the Evangel experience. I've never been a part of a social environment so relentless in the pursuit of being better. As a member of the EU Scholars Program, Evangel's Honor Society, I'm surrounded by men and women who are pillars of character in their communities. I also meet regularly with a small group where we constantly challenge each other to attain the purpose to which God has called us. The goal of EU is not simply to prepare the next generation of doctors, lawyers, business leaders, but to develop each student as a whole person, whether academically, spiritually, or relationally. The world needs Christians who are more intentional, genuine, and committed to making the world better. And I know my time at Evangel is helping me become exactly that. Thanks for listening. Over to you, Alex.
Thank you, Jared. Like Jared, many Evangel students plan to continue their education, which is why each EU pre-med student can obtain early acceptance to graduate school by their sophomore year. With the possibility of a reserved seat before senior year, EU grad school placement rates are outstanding, and that's incredible. Thanks again, take care.